Hello everybody, Thursday, May 18th, daily stock market update. Today we had a breakout on MES chart, SPY, triple Qs, Pangu, SOXL, everything is green. SPY MES is making a new high. Is this a surprise? Is this a surprise? If you're following me, it's not a surprise for you. You know what was happening and what to expect. And here let's analyze it in more detail where we go from here. Okay guys, if you're liking the video, please hit the like button. It only takes 1 second, and please share with your friends and family, and please if you are making money, please donate. I would really appreciate your donations. All right, so what I said yesterday, go check my videos from yesterday. I told you, look at what happened here. You can see these three red candles we got, sorry, green candles we got. You can see this cycle was not ending, and until the mid of this cycle we got these three candles. We were dumping, and then here we got three candles. I told you something similar can happen, so we got two candles already. Okay, you can see exactly similar. Now we are pumping, and what happened on third candle? Reversal. Are we gonna get a reversal candle on Friday? Are we will see. Okay, let's take a step back. Okay, let's take a step back and see where we are now. Okay, you can see we are still going above. This is weekly candle, but we are still in the resistance area. Okay, we are the game is not over yet. Okay, I want to show you something else. If you're following my channel, you know what this chart is. You know where do we sell? If you watched my videos yesterday, I told you this rotation, it can go up to 3%. It can go more than 3%. I told you guys yesterday that it was around 2.6%. I told you it can go up to 3%. We are exactly there. Okay, this is a perfect sell zone. This is a zone to take profits. Do not go bull here. Okay, this is the time to take profits. Another thing, Nasdaq, this is another chart. Where are we? Top purple line. Okay, what happens when we are at top purple line? Look at here. Go to top purple line, dump to bottom purple line. Okay, look at here. Break above top purple line, dump to bottom purple line. Okay, these are just few examples. This is not where you want to be here. Okay, this is where you exit. Okay, so again, we are in a sell zone. Go to daily chart. Okay, although this went higher than what I was expecting this to hold this previous highs. It went a bit higher. That's okay. What that means the pullback will be less than what I expected. We will still get a pullback. Okay, however, this pullback will be lesser amount than I expected. So that's the only thing which changed. Okay, I'm still expecting this pullback, and let's discuss how much this pullback will be. Okay, to get this pullback, let's draw this Fibonacci. Now we have to adjust this box, so let's get rid of this box from here. Okay, so this pullback which we are about to get, I think it can happen starting tomorrow. So now we are making a new high here, so let's take this as a new high. And if you want to draw a box, okay, this is the box, this is the buy zone. Okay, you're gonna get this pullback. This buy zone is, let me get rid of this. Buy zone is around 39.85 to 40.70. Okay, so the only thing with that changed is now we might not get that deeper pullback. We will get a shallow pullback, but we'll still get this pullback. Okay, I'm still expecting this pullback, and this is not the time to be a hero. Again, same thing, look to take all your profits. This is the time you will be looking to short. One other thing you should be seeing is VIX. Okay, VIX is down 4.8%. Okay, let's zoom out a bit. Okay, let's go to weekly chart. All right, let's go to weekly chart and see what's happening with VIX. You can see this range below 16. You can see below 16 what happens. Bounce, 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 bounce. Let's go to daily chart. Maybe it will be showing you better there. So let's focus on these last two lines. Okay, let's zoom out. You can see what happened here. Last two lines, October 2021. Okay, we bounced. We did a double back tested. Okay, so it's not a double top, it's a double bottom. Okay, we did double bottom here and bounce. We're almost there. Tomorrow we could, in the morning, we could sell off. We can, that means pump in SPY, and then it can reverse. Okay, double bottom here, bounce. We're getting a double bottom almost here, about to bounce. Here, double bottom, June 2021, about to bounce. Okay, let's go back here. This here it was in a full bull market. Okay, we are not there yet. Okay, so in full bull market we go below 15. So if we go below 15, that's an indication that this is full blown bull market. So in bull market we can even go as low as 8 here. Okay, but we are not there yet. Okay, we are ways away from bull market. Interest rates are high. There's no way we're gonna keep going higher. Okay, but I'm trying to tell you, this is the time. And also VIX, you can see it can be a couple of days here and there. I told you guys this is an estimate, so looks like it's going to bottom very soon. Maybe tomorrow is the one it's going to bottom. And if I go to Nasdaq, you can see what's going on. A parabolic move. Okay, still divergence on PPO. Okay, keep going higher. RSI negated this divergence, which is a good sign. One of the momentum indicators is showing divergence, other is not showing, so still 50-50 chances. What is something else very, very interesting I want to show you? Okay, if I add Bollinger Bands, BB, I think that's the Bollinger Bands indication. You can see where we are. You can see outside Bollinger Band, okay? Outside Bollinger Band. What happened last time we were outside Bollinger Band? Here, dumped, okay? Here we came outside, dump. Here we came outside, dump, okay? I think this is slightly here, but this was a bull market. We cannot take that. So if we just focus on bear market, even here when we are going away from Bollinger Band, we go up higher. Okay, here below go higher. Okay, so same concept here. We go higher, we dump. Okay, here we try to go higher, we dump. Here we are higher, we dump. So again we're breaking out. Let's see on US 500. If you're okay, actually look at let's look at triple Qs. That will be clear. You can see we closed right above. Let's look at SPY, right above. Okay, here right above SPY, dump. Here right above SPY, dump. Here right above SPY, dump. Okay, very, very careful, guys. Do not get too excited. This could still be manipulation with all the market makers. They're trying to manipulate you guys. If anything, wait for the pullback. Okay, you don't want to buy long here. Don't FOMO. Okay, just relax. Do not FOMO. You don't want to buy here. Okay, wait for a pullback, buy on a pullback. And now you can see, again going on MES chart, the cycle high is Tuesday. Okay, theoretically we can go higher until Tuesday before we get a pullback, but looks like after 3 candles is the right time to get a pullback. So anytime we should be getting a pullback, and that will be a good buy the dip opportunity. Okay, you don't want to buy here. Wait for the pullback if you want to buy, and then you can buy there. Okay, MNQ again way above Bollinger Band. Okay, it went way higher than what I anticipated. So I can agree this is way bullish than I thought. But I think there's a lot of short sentiment in markets. The market is just punishing. This is more like a short squeeze. Again, this is another chart here for MNQ. You can see we're coming very close to this top this top purple line. Okay, but be very, very careful here, guys. Very, very careful. Okay, you can see we went above here. Also, we're trying to go near purple line. We dumped. Okay, just be careful, guys. This is not the time to be hero. All right. Okay, so Nasdaq is also going higher. Triple Qs, which is the ETF, just parabolic move straight up. Wait for it to cool down. Okay, do not get too excited here. Wait for it to cool down. And I think we need to adjust this buy zone again, because now we're going higher. So we do get pullbacks. Market cannot go straight up. So wait for the pullback. Okay, even if it's the high today. Let's see where we can buy. We can buy in this zone here. Okay, the only thing which changed is the pullback will be shallow. Now the buy zone, it can come as low as 311 to buy. Okay, so it can go as low as here before we buy. Let's get rid of Bollinger Bands. I don't need that right now. Let's add the indicators I need, and let's review based on that. Okay, so this is what we could get. Also, there's another support line here, so it's following that. So just be mindful of that. And the VIX I covered. US 30, basically again it's just getting support. I don't think it was that good. Let's quickly look at the DIA ETF. Where is it? DIA should be here somewhere. DIA 0.43. not that good as compared to other sectors. IWM was 0.61%, Russell 2000 here. You can see again, this is cycle low, although it's going higher. I am expecting this dump. Okay, this dump is still going to happen. Again, you can see on SPY what happened. You can see this a week we lost more than 6%, so it can happen like that. Okay, just be careful, guys. This is not the time to be hero. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Wait for a pullback, if anything. Okay, do not FOMO in. Wait for the pullback if you want to invest. Market is not running anywhere. Okay, wheat, I told you to buy. Wheat looks like still divergence on PPO and RSI. Okay, you can see this bullish falling wedge looks like a stop hunt here. Here there was a stop hunt. Still we are on this wedge. Still good time to buy it. Buy wheat. WEAT is the ETF you can buy. Okay. Natural gas was up 9%. I told you guys to buy natural gas. This looks like a breakout candle, but the cycle low is coming here, so be very careful. If you go to 1 hour chart, there's still if I go to auto, there's still this gap here. That's the only thing which is bothering me, and this is way oversold now. So looks like it needs some kind of a cool down, but this looks like a breakout. Okay, you can see prices above all moving averages, so it's buy the dip. Okay, look to buy the dip. And let's go back to other sectors. Let's go to oil. Oil was selling, so looking for lower prices in oil. Nothing changed. Let's go to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is also selling. It is coming very close to my buy zone again. So looking for more downside, especially with SPY next week or next couple of weeks. I'm looking for selling. So that will bring Bitcoin and Ethereum down. So same thing, Ethereum looking for more pullback. And gold is in the buy zone. Here's the buy zone. It's in the buy zone, looking for it to dip here. Actually, I was looking it to dip later here, but looks like it's dipping now. This is the buy zone. You can buy gold, physical gold. Go to stores, buy physical gold bar. You can buy gold miners if you want. Gold miners were selling off, so also gold miners are in the buy zone again. This is the buy zone, looking for new all-time highs later on. And silver, same thing. Silver is in the buy zone too. This is the buy zone in silver. Look to buy silver before it goes higher. Dollar was breaking out, so but again, I'm not bullish on dollar. Looking for lower prices. It's finding resistance on this 200 EMA. Looking for lower prices. Yield mortgage rates looks like they're breaking out. Looks like on 1 hour chart, did we fill this gap? We did fill this gap, but we created another gap, so we can do something like this. Make this gap green, so it's a support. Green is a support. Yellow is a resistance. Okay, so yeah, still cycle low is coming here, so it's possible we can still get some dump here. Okay, I think it's going to be a shallow dump because now we're going higher. So we'll see how that turns out. Bonds, you can see what's going on. Bond market is telling you something else, and stock market is telling you something else. Okay, so this looks like a trap to me, guys. Honestly, this looks like a trap. Why is bond market going down if stock market is going higher? Okay, something to think about. Bond market is now below 200 SMA, very bearish. Okay, looking for more downside on bonds. Gold, I already covered. GDS gold miners looking for this is a buy zone. It can come to support around $30. Okay, this is 200 EMA. Look to buy if anywhere here is a good buy zone. Let's keep on going. XLE, energy sector, small bounce, but looking for lower prices. $71 is my target. XLU, this is safety sector, looking for lower prices. XLV, if you want to buy healthcare stocks. Okay, still good price. Okay, it's a rotation. Soon rotation will go out from tech sector into healthcare and utilities, so look to buy there. Financials was down in the morning, but then it came up again, looking for lower prices. Again, I'm still bearish on financial, at least for a week or two. Industrials again above all moving averages, but still looking for lower prices, at least for next couple of weeks. Real estate is going down. You can see there's mixed messages here. Okay, all sectors are not pumping, so looks like be careful here, guys. Okay, now going to Tesla. Tesla was up 1.7%. There's a gap here. There's a gap here around 180, and there's another gap around 184. So looking for these two gaps to fill. So it's possible we can go there and fill these gaps. So be careful on once we fill this gap, then next moves can happen. So the higher we go, the lower will be the sell off, but still we'll have some sell off. So be careful on Tesla. And Apple looks like it's going higher today, 1.37% Apple new highs, but you can see still divergence on RSI and PPO, nothing changed. You can see this purple line. You can see this purple line looks like a back test of this purple line. We broke down, gap up. Now again, looks like this is a back test, a massive gap here around 160. All these are gaps, okay, guys? So be careful looking for lower prices. Google just parabolic, okay? This is like a rocket launcher, okay? Look what happens here. Rocket launcher, go down, okay? Rocket launcher, go down. Google likes to do this, okay? Google likes to do this, tries to trick everybody. Look at here, rocket launcher, go down. So be careful, guys. Massive gap here, at least at minimum, looking for this 113 to fill before going higher, okay? Don't FOMO in, okay? Massive gap here on Microsoft. This will eventually be filled. Again, another minor gap here, looking for lower prices. Snowflake's breakout, very good breakout. Again, you can see what happened on Snowflake. Here, breakout, go down, breakout, go down, breakout, go down, breakout, go down. Snowflake likes to do that, okay? Earnings is coming very soon, so we'll see what happens. Meta, again, going higher with massive gap here. So we'll see, looking for lower prices. It's holding this trend line, purple trend line. As long as it's on this trend line, nothing to worry about. Amazon, again, massive breakout. Again, now there's another trend line here. So looks the only issues I have with all these tech stocks, they are going higher with creating multiple gaps to the downside. These gaps will eventually fill. 90% of the gap should fill. Look at Netflix, okay? Massive breakout. You can see I was telling you, as long as it's holding this trend line, nothing to worry. Just be careful. This trend line here, still holding. It came to backtest multiple times and then breakout, okay? But with another gap, all right? I don't know when these gaps will fill, but they will fill. So Nvidia, new all-time high, okay? You can see divergence still on PPO and RSI, okay? So again, earnings are coming very, very soon. Be very, very careful on Nvidia, guys. This is also the top price target, which is the white line. Getting rid of that. Multiple gaps on Nvidia to the downside. Just going higher on multiple gaps, okay? Be time to be careful. AMD, again, massive upside, but you can see still in this sell zone, okay? This resistance zone, looking for lower prices. If anything, looking for a little bit of cool down before going higher. Disney, you can see 1% up, still in the buy zone here, okay? Still in the buy zone, came slightly higher. Any pullbacks, you should be looking to buy in this green zone. PayPal was a bit weak. I'm looking for lower prices in PayPal. Sophie was up 2%. Again, came very close to this previous lows. Again, it can come down. Actually, it filled this gap. If you look at my video, I told you guys a couple of days ago, this gap should be filled, and I can get rid of this now. So this gap is filled. And that's about it, guys. Where there are a lot of interesting times ahead. People are saying it's a breakout. It's fine. It looks like a breakout. Just wait for a dip before you get into market again. If you're staying out, it's fine. Wait for the dip, guys. It's going to come very, very soon. Again, on MES chart, you can see here, looking for this pullback. Okay, you can see two cycles here. You can see this two cycles coming to 1st of June, 2nd of June, yellow cycle and green cycle. And then there's also this bigger cycle coming here. All this will put a lot of pressure on S&P 500 to go down, okay? So don't get too excited. When we get this pullback, look to buy, all right? Okay, guys, if you're still here, please hit the like button on your way out. Really appreciate it, and have a good rest of the day. Take care. Bye.